Hello, my name is David Ross, and I'm actually going to talk about my submission into Myprize. My objective of my proposal is to provide a high-level mobile learning management system, which I call MLMS, for handheld devices for the 4G network. Develop a product roadmap and timeline to implement mobile learning management system. E-learning has advanced in the last few years, and it's now moving to what I call social networking and high collaborative communication. And this is easily now provided with the 4G network and the development of a mobile management learning and management system as I proposed for this project. Mobile Learning Management System, or as I call it, MLMS, over the 4G technology will allow for a lot of interactivity, collaborative learning, online learning anywhere, anytime, any place someone wants to be involved. And now, of course, with 4G, the ability to have access 24 by 7 days a week is going to move the industry forward very quickly. And I've just highlighted a few things here that you will be able to do. You can have practical experiences, technology interactivity, involve parents, students, lectures, as well as corporates. Accessibility to content, to social network elements. You can even view world news and things like that. To create a whole collaborative learning experience for people that want to have a life learning journey. This is what I call the value proposition. This is between key values, students, school, university, and corporate. Of course, one of the most important things is the idea of personalization. We're living in an area that I call digital natives, and everyone is moving very quickly with the use of handheld devices, computer technology, communication technology, and multimedia. Of course, the idea of personalization means that we can customize and personalize information for individuals, and it works very well over high-speed networks like 4G. Significance: indirect motivation to improve sustained good learning now is available in what I call flexible delivery, led by mobile devices. Certainty: create information push, or accurate and specific for an individual. So we can make sure that the information that we're getting is accurate and can be used in our university, our schools, or for corporate training. Variety: learning new channel and to provide feedback. Most students that are actually doing technology-based learning, such as e-learning activities, are now wanting to have instant feedback. And of course, with handheld devices, this feedback can be instantaneous. And of course, we now have new learning channels through the 4G technology. Connectiveness: convenience to stay connected with their educational program. Content can be shared using 4G, and this connectedness can now be 24 by 7 days a week, anywhere I want, anywhere the student wants. So it's how they want to learn and where they want to learn that is important. Growth: most of us want to have a lifelong learning experience, and of course now using the new technology as in 4G and mobile devices, this now gives us this chance of building our own learning environment. Now what I'd like to do is actually show a few features of the mobile learning management system. As you can see, this is basically a screen sample of what it would look like on the handheld device. We can have biodata information of the student that is online or the student that I might be communicating to. So this area can switch depending on how we're communicating with individuals in a collaborative learning environment. Student recognized achievement bars. So if you look at this area, right in here, this is actually an achievement bar. So as the student is going through their education and training program, this bar will grow, allowing the student to know that they're about 88%, 90%, or 100% completed that particular learning object or bit of learning material. This is to communicate specific personalized updates to the students. So you can see that I can have personal, class, academic updates that can be actually sent to the student in this area right here. This can be used as a resource bank as well. It can be a discovery channel pool, so things can be added to that as I go through my learning journal. Can be extended for streaming technology such as audio, video, and interactive multimedia. I can have a customized personal landing page. So this page is basically the landing page that can be customized to me. I can select the tools that I need to develop my own learning environment. Can be used as a communication tool in class to share feedback or post questions. This is to communicate general and or public updates to students. You can actually have access to the lectures. So if I'm involved in a course that has a trainer or a lecturer or a high school teacher, I can get access to them. I can actually have access to my schedule calendar, letting me know when there's going to be presentations, podcasts, or maybe blogs, or actually a connection through Facebook, so I can actually do some collaborative learning. This will be where I can go and have lessons. So I can have PowerPoint lessons, interactive lessons, video shows as well, or just a slideshow presentation. So I got the opportunity of doing presentations to my students as well. And of course, getting direct access to my lecture in tutorials where I'm having trouble and I need to be able to have some assistance either through frequently asked questions or actually a live session with my tutor, and I can get this link that will give me direct access to the tutor. So I can have lectures, I can have a calendar, I can have lessons, and a tutorial. Can be extended to an app's landing page when we have the App Store fully function. And this is where I can have access to collaborative learning. So I can have things like GoToMeeting. I can have a LinkedIn connection. I can have Facebook. I might have Twitter or a blog. Or maybe I might put up videos on YouTube and the students need to have direct access to my videos. So this particular area that we're showing down here can be changed both by the presenter, the lecturer, or I can actually have selected apps that can be done by the student. At the very bottom you can see that we have a search engine. The search engine will allow me to look up maybe topics that I need to do research on. So it gives me the ability to do a search where I might have links to other resources that are provided to the students. So thank you very much. This is my idea of the future for e-learning, and of course that's through mobile learning with a mobile learning management system over 4G. This is the direction that e-learning and web-based education is going, and one of the things that's currently missing is this total mobile learning management system. And now with the launch of the 4G, it is now a tool that should be built and be provided for schools, universities, colleges, as well as for the corporate market. So thank you very much. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me directly and I'd be happy to answer them.